April is National Internship Awareness Month, and while many companies are looking to hire that new summer intern that's going to increase productivity and heighten the energy around the office, we want to make sure that we give you 3 key strategies to make sure you get the best out of that experience. The first one is during the hiring process. Reviewing the resume and looking at their extracurricular activities is phenomenal. However, you want someone who's also passionate and enthusiastic about your industry and about your business. Once you have that person on board, make sure that you give them real work to complete, not just sorting mail and going to run and get coffee. Give them projects to work on. Allow them the opportunity to accompany you to client sites and during meetings so that they can see what it takes to be successful in your business. And lastly, provide them feedback during their internship. And most importantly, at the end of their internship. Let them know that what they've done well and let them know areas of improvement, because everyone wants their experience to be successful, both you and your intern. Thank you.